Ladies and gentlemen.
G'day and welcome to a RetroTinker quick fix video. Today we've got what I hope will be a nice quick fix. We've got this 1996 Extreme Dinosaurs T-Bone figure. How freaking cool is this figure? Extreme Dinos has got to be one of the most badass toy lines of the 90s. This guy here is the Dino Chopper version of T-Bone, hence the awesome metallic paint scheme. He's supposed to come with a really cool motorbike, but unfortunately I don't have one. But saying that, he's still just as awesome without it. Anyway, you can see here he's got a broken wrist. This should be a fairly simple fix. Now, as it sits, I could just drill into each side and glue in a pin and call it a day. But I am curious to see if I can get the joiner pin out, because unlike Ninja Turtles figures, the joining pin's actually a separate part to the hand and the arm, and I'll be able to get a much better join if I can get the pin out. So I'm going to start there and we'll see how we go. I'm first going to try and soften the arm and hand in some boiled water, and then I'll see if I can pry the pin out. Well, I guess you could say that's out. Well, I knocked some stuff around, but yeah, that's out. Now that I've picked my lighting back up off the floor, we'll try the arm and see if we have any luck there. I don't think prying it out with a screwdriver is going to be the way to go. It does have a hole in the middle, and I'm wondering if I screw this little screw in there, I might be able to grab a hold of it with the pliers and pull it out. We'll see if it works. If it doesn't, I think I'll just fix it in the arm rather than try and pull it out, because I don't want to ruin anything else if I can help it. Well, it seems to be threaded in a fair way now, so I'll soften the plastic up again and we'll see if we can get it out. Dang. I thought that was going to work for a second, but then it just stripped out. So yes, it was a nice thought, but I'm just going to fix it sitting as is. Alright, so we're just going to drill this out and I'll glue a bit of this stainless bar in. The reason I'm choosing this stainless pin is that it's a little bit thicker and it's going to be a lot stronger than using something like a paper clip. So if he takes a tumble or something, hopefully it'll be strong enough to keep it all together. Luckily these things already have a hole down the center of them, so once I drill that out, it'll help keep everything lined up when I glue it together. I was just drilling into this and it seems like there's a big hollow area in the pin. I'm not sure if this is intentional or not, or if it's just had an air bubble in it when it was manufactured. I'm not sure, but just make sure I put a whole lot of glue down there and that should hopefully fill it up. That's looking like it'll do the trick. That's looking pretty good. I guess I'll glue the bar in now. I'll just give the end of this a bit of a sand up. That'll help the glue stick to it. And now we just have to very carefully drop a bit of super glue in the hole, trying not to get it everywhere. And then yeah, we push the bar in, trim it up to length, and then yeah, glue the other side of the pin. Alright, that's one side done. Now I just need to trim it off and then glue in the other piece. Just fit this before I glue it in. It looks like it'll do the job. That's glued in nice and solid. It doesn't seem like it's going anywhere. Now I'll just heat up the hand and push it back on, and it should be done. Look at that. Easy as that. Oh, looks awesome. You wouldn't even know that had been repaired. Oh, happy days. And there we have it. That all came together quite nicely. This hand's not going anywhere, and it's got its full range of motion. Yeah, that's a win. As usual, I guess now we take some glamour shots and then job's done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Give the old algorithm a tickle. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I hope I see you in the next one.